So you're a programmer who makes apps, whether it's websites, AI, or databases, and you have reached rock bottom when it comes to creativity. Well, in well, you're in the right place, as I'll be giving you some tips on growth and inspiration as a dev. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe or like, as it will tell me I'm doing my job right. One of the biggest growth killers I see is not going for projects that will improve their skills. This may seem obvious, but lots of programmers make similar apps like the same landing page or the same AI, and it's not really helping them learn anything new. And the only way to force yourself to make something new is to get out of your comfort zone. So if you ever get an opportunity to develop a project that seems impossible, then go for it. Because the only way to become better is to pressure yourself to learn. And when I mean pressure, I mean good pressure. Pressure that gets you excited to finish a project, not the stressful one. The next tip would be set yourself a goal. This is key in making meaningful projects that will help you grow. Let me give you an example. If your goal is to make 3 projects for your portfolio by the end of 2 months to show an employer, then you will need to make this project unique and give it some reason to build it. So let's move into inspiration. The first place to find inspiration would be look at other people's project. Dribble with a triple B is a great place to find any sort of UI UX. So daily design and InVision apps. I wouldn't try to copy element by element from these design or try to do the whole website, but take a small section and build that like a form or navbar. And once you've build that, make another project, and try to merge them together. Something that made me crave and inspired me to make nice design is learning UI UX. When I mean learn, I don't mean trying to be a master if you don't want to, but more like understand the concepts. The things like color theory, layouts, contrast, and popular trends will allow you to make unique designs. And once you've learned these unique designs, you won't need to look at other people's designs to make your own app. So I will be linking the 3 inspiration websites in the description below, so you can check that out. And I'll also be linking the some UI UX tutorials, some really basic ones. So if you got any questions, make sure to comment below. If you like this video, you can subscribe or like, so you can show me that you found this video valuable. And if you got any video suggestions, make sure to comment that below, and I'll see you in the next one.